Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will take you to a peculiar living museum in Dubai, designed to immerse visitors in a realistic conceptual technology over the next 50 years. Let's see what's there and see if it's even worth seeing. A unique torus-shaped building located at Emirates Tower on Sheikh Zayed Road is an amazing example of architectural marvel, bearing impressive quotes from the ruler of Dubai inscribed on it in Arabic calligraphy. It is designed to showcase and inspire how future science, technology, and new discoveries will shape the future of our world. Getting there is pretty straightforward. By metro, get off at Emirates Tower's metro station on the Red Line and walk across the link bridge that connects directly to the museum.
It is super convenient to walk to the museum.
So let's go into the Museum of the Future. This is the only such extraordinary museum in the world where you will find nothing related to the past, but you will find everything related to the future and the present. The museum's stunning 16-meter-high white lobby on the ground floor features an integrated ceiling with Arabic calligraphy, a double helix central staircase, 3 panoramic bullet elevators, an interactive robot dog,
and a large flying fish.
Entry and tour of the lobby is free, but to access its 5 themed chapters spread across 5 levels, one has to pay 159 dirhams. The museum's drop pod on the ground floor takes visitors to the museum's first chapter, OSS Hope, located on the 5th floor. The main attraction of this section is space travel. It is a bubble-like elevator that simulates a 600-kilometer space journey. Taking you to the space station and spacecraft. Docking inside the space station. And bringing you back to Earth. It is a kind of virtual view of our Earth's ecosystem and restoration of the planet's ecology and biodiversity in the year 2071. The highlight and most emotional feature is its DNA library, where a visual catalog of over 2,400 distinct and endangered species is kept in hanging crystal-illuminated specimen jars. Al-Waha means the oasis. This chapter is about disconnecting from the digital world and reconnecting with your inner self. It is designed as a multi-sensory retreat to experience your journey towards inner peace. The next section is Tomorrow Today. It showcases near-future technologies, such as self-driving vehicles, remote-controlled falcons, AI-powered drones, and humanoid robots.
आपका स्वागत है। आशा है कि आप यहाँ का आनंद लेंगे।
This robot can speak many languages of the world and can also talk to the visitors in their respective languages.
تستطيع التحدث بالعربية. كيف يمكنني مساعدتك؟
There is a viewing deck, which is an Instagram shoot point from where you can get a close-up experience of the museum's interiors, as well as capture panoramic view of the chic Zayed Road on one side and downtown Dubai on the other. The fifth and final chapter, located on level 1, is known as Heroes of the Future. It is designed for children aged 4 to 11 years, where they can play, explore, and learn about the future through interactive exhibits and in a variety of exciting ways. Before I conclude, I also have some tips to share with you if you are planning to visit Museum of Future. Even though we have returned to the present after traveling into the future in the year 2071, we are still going through the same mesmerizing feeling of being immersed in a future life. An amazing experience, not just value for money, but much more than that. Now is the time to step out and return to the present world. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing to the channel.